card. I don't know anything about Bryan, so we'll see.
We're going to see a very distinct stylistic matchup.
Yep. Nashune's very explosive. Nashune's also done quite a few martial arts.
Especially when you can cross this distance so fast.
Yes.
You need to have that solid distance management.
Exactly. Nashune did eat. Nice. See, he's still aiming those head kicks, man. Yeah.
Deep to the face.
Yeah. Oh, Nashune wants the knockout, man. Nashune.
And Nashune is definitely
there fought Hurricane X2. He did eat a hook to the face.
He did.
Yeah. Nice, another leg. Telling him to clinch. Oh, he's listening. He's listening. Yep. Oh, I think Nashune just found a weakness, man. Wow, Nashune can scrap.
Throw those knees.
Yep.
That's what's going to be most expected.
Yep.
Not to scrap.
Yep. Oh. Nice. Yeah, exactly. Don't know much.
Third round.
There it is. Nashune. Nice. There it is. Nashune smells blood now. Oh, he tried. Yeah. Bryan finding some confidence. Look at that. Dude, this fight.